Hey, look at this test and make a simpler version for my weaker students, please. I'm meant to understand this research paper, but I haven't got time to read it. Read it thoroughly and then give me a simple summary that's very easy for me to understand. Explain it as if I'm a 15-year-old. Look at my year 13 markbook and then give me a good description of how Paula has been doing compared to the rest of the people in her class. This is a photo of my photocopier at school. I have no idea how it works. Does this photocopier staple my photocopies? And if so, how do I do it? From my study notes, make a simple 20-minute test that would test my understanding of these notes. Here's a picture of what I've just bought from the supermarket. I have all the normal things in my kitchen like salt and oil. I want to cook something healthy for dinner. Give me 5 suggestions of what I should cook for dinner. Help, quick. I'm going on holiday and I need to take some books with me to read. This is a photo of my bookshelf. I want 2 suggestions, one that's going to make me look really intelligent to read around the pool, and one that I will enjoy while reading alone in my room. Give me 2 suggestions and give me a short description about what they're about.